Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel The Warrior Classes. Today in this session we are going to solve this algebraic expression. Here we have to find the value of x raised to the power 12, where we have been given the value of x in terms of surds. It is 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. So friend, before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. So now let's start the video. Now for solving this, we'll have to raise power up to 12. So our first step will be, here the value of x is given and we'll eliminate this square root. So now in the next we'll cross multiply it. So it is divided by 1. Now if we'll cross multiply, it is 2x equal to 1 multiplied by this term will be 1 plus square root of 5. Now for eliminating the square root, we'll take 1 in the left hand side. So our equation will be 2x minus 1, and that is equal to square root 5. Now for eliminating the square root value, we'll square both the sides. So it is left hand side we'll square and right hand side also. Now here is square root value and square value will be cancelled. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, and its formula is a square. Its formula is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. So here it is 2x square will be 4x square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 times ab means 4x, and that is equal to, in the right hand side we have 5. Now from here we'll calculate the value of x square. So the value of x square will be, it is 4x square will be, here it is 5 minus 1 4 and minus will be plus, so it is plus 4x. Now from here we'll calculate the x square value. It is 4x square, and we can take common 4 from these two, so it will be x plus 1, x plus 1. So here 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So here we have calculated the value of x square. So value of x square here we have calculated is x plus 1. Now the demand of this question is to calculate the value of x raised to the power 12. So we can write x raised to the power 12 as, we'll write it as x square and its power is 6. Here we have used the exponential rule. It is in the form of a powered by mn, and we can write it as a powered by m and powered by n. So 12 we have written 2 multiplied by 6. Now here we have the value of x square. Now here we will put the value of x square. So the value of x raised to the power 12 will be, here x square is x plus 1. So it is x plus 1 and it's powered by, whole powered is 6. Now here again we'll split this power. Now look at here, it is x raised to the power 12. Now we'll write x plus 1 and its power is 6. Its power is 6, so we'll write square and then we'll cube it. Then the power will be multiplication of this 2 and 3 will be 6. Here we have used this formula. So here 2 and 3. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So now look at here, it is x raised to the power 12. Now it is a plus b whole square. We'll use this formula. It is a square plus b square. Here it is really plus 2ab. So it is x square plus 1 square, and here plus 2ab means 2x, and it is powered by 3. Its power is 3. Now here again we'll use this x square value. We'll put the value of x square, that is x plus 1. So now x raised to the power 12, and here the value of x square is x plus 1. So it is x plus 1, and here it is 1 square will be 1 plus 1, and here it is plus 2x, and its power is 3. Now we'll simplify it. So it is x raised to the power 12 will be, here x and 2x will be 3x. So it is 3x plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is 2 and power is 3. Now moving further, here we have the value of x raised to the power 12. So x raised to the power 12 value, that is we have, it is 3x plus 2 and powered by 3, and now we'll manipulate it. So we can write it as 3x plus 2 and its whole square, and we'll multiply by 3x plus 2. So it's the value of this term means 3x plus 2 and whole cube, and we can write it as 3x plus 2 whole square multiplied by 3x plus 2. Now if you look at here again, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we'll use this formula again, a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So we can write it as 3x square will be 9x square plus b square means 2 square will be 4, and here 2 times ab means 3x multiplied by 2, and 2 will be 12x, and this value will be multiplied by 3x plus 2. Now we'll simplify it. Here again we'll put the value of x square. We have the value of x square, that is x plus 1. So it is 9 multiplied by x plus 1, and here it is plus 4 and plus 12x, and it is multiplied by this value, it is 3x plus 2. Now we'll simplify it. So it is 9 multiplied by this value will be 9x plus 9, and here it is plus 4 and plus 12x and multiplied by this term, this is 3x plus 2. Now we'll simplify it. Now 9x plus 12x is 21x. So we have 21x plus 9 plus 4 is 13. So it is 13. And this term is multiplied by 3x plus 2. So this is the value of x raised to the power 12. Now here you can see the value of x raised to the power 12. It is given in two factors. Now we'll use FOIL method, FOIL, FOIL method for multiplication of these two. Now the FOIL method, first we'll use the first two, multiplication of 21 and 3. So here it is x raised to the power 12, and we'll multiply 21 and 3. 21 times 3 is 63, and it is x square plus, now the O means outside, so it is 21 multiplied by 2. So it is 21 2s are 42x, so it is 42x plus, and now the I means inside, here 13 multiplied by 3, it is 39x. L means last, 13 and 2, 13 2s are 26, so it is 26. Now in the next step we'll calculate x raised to the power 12. That will be here 63 multiplied by x square. X square value is x plus 1, so it is 63 multiplied by x plus 1. And now we'll simplify this to 42 plus 39. 42 plus 39 is 81. 81x and plus 26. So x raised to the power 12 will be, here it is 63x plus 63 and plus 81x plus 26. Now we'll add x and x. Here 63x plus 81x will be 144x plus, here 63 and 26 is 89. It is 89. So this is the value of x raised to the power 12. Now the last step. Now look at this expression. So we have the value multiplied by x, and we have it given the value of x here. Now we'll put the value of x here and we'll calculate it. So now look at here. So here we have calculated x raised to the power 12 is 144x plus 89. Now here x is 144 multiplied by x is 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2, and here it is plus 89. Now we'll multiply it. So we'll cancel it by 2. So it is 72. Now we'll multiply it by 72. So it is 72 plus 72 square root 5, and here it is plus 89. Now the value of x raised to the power 12, x raised to the power 12 is 72 and 89 is 161, and here it is plus 72 square root 5. So here we have calculated the value of x raised to the power 12, that is 161 plus 72 square root 5. So this is the answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video.